Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva Reels. To begin, open Canva and search for Instagram Reel to find the perfect starting point. You can select a blank canvas for full creative freedom or choose from many pre-designed templates to kickstart your project. Remember to set your Reel's duration, which can range from 3 seconds up to 90 seconds, giving you plenty of time to tell your story. Now, let's bring your Reel to life by adding media. Easily upload your personal videos and photos, or explore Canva's vast built-in media library for high-quality stock content. Simply drag and drop elements such as text, engaging stickers, and vibrant graphics directly onto your canvas. Don't forget to fine-tune the timing and layering of each component on the intuitive timeline for a polished look. To truly make your Reel pop, it's time to add some audio and effects. Choose from Canva's diverse audio library for background music, or upload your favorite track to personalize your creation. Carefully synchronize your chosen audio with your video clips to create a dynamic and impactful viewing experience. Also, apply smooth transitions and captivating animations between scenes to ensure a seamless and professional visual flow. Finally, it's time to prepare your amazing Reel for the world. Always preview your creation thoroughly to confirm that all elements are perfectly aligned and timed to your satisfaction. Once you are happy, download your finished Reel in high-quality MP4 format, which is ideal for sharing. You can then easily share your masterpiece directly to popular social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.